Eadweard Muybridge emigrated from England to New York around 1852, and in 1855 he settled in California where he became a bookseller. In the 1860s he took up photography and became a successful documentarian of the Pacific Northwest landscape. In 1869, he invented an early camera shutter, which would permit him to achieve an important photographic experiment less than a decade later. In 1878, he helped settle a wager made by California Governor Leland Stanford regarding the gait of a horse. No one was able to see with their own eyes if at any time a running horse had all four hoofs off the ground. Muybridge devised a plan to set up a series of cameras along the side of a racetrack with wires stretching across that, when touched, would trip the shutters. As a result, and demonstrating that indeed all hooves are off the ground, Muybridge created the earliest form of motion photography, otherwise known as film. In 1879, he invented the zoopraxiscope, a device that could project up to 200 individual images in rapid succession. In this series, Animal Locomotion, Cricket, Overarm Bowling, Muybridge used tripwires and other photographic techniques that allowed for faster shutter speeds and shorter exposure times. This work exemplifies this effort to capture sequential movement, defining the man's actions and highlighting the specific muscles used throughout the act of pitching a cricket ball. This innovative series changed the way artists and scientists observe the human body.